Yo, where's some for the dash him off or what?
Yo, my work done, you know, some of the people want to, you know.
Yo, El Chapo my name, you know. Know that, you know. The things, yo, we work hard for them box there, you know.
Pause. And let's rewind this from the beginning. So if it's your first time subscribing to the channel, make sure say you watch the video to the end. And if you are a long time subscriber, share it up to your friends and family, man, because you don't know it is important that you guys watch the entire video. I want to share it up and do the right things. We have a lot of bonus footage at the end, so make sure you watch after the credits right down to the end. Bam!
El Chapo, you know, say Jadi just come to rob the box them.
Yo, I want El Chapo.
There, man, where you going? How them box, how money now going?
Yeah, man, a simple thing this El Chapo, man. I saw you go in.
Oh, so I saw you rob me box.
Bossy. I saw you rob my box. Come on, son.
What is what? What is for Bossy?
Bossy, what is for? What is for? What is for Bossy? What is for? What is for? What is for Bossy? All right. What is for Bossy?
Bossy.
Where the voice the way you use a play with the box?
Bossy.
Where the voice the way you use a play with the box?
Hold on, bossy, hold on.
That boy, if I say, yo, hurry up.
Hold on, bossy. Cheater, me never mean to that type of thing, no.
So this here you. That boy, give me your finger.
Bossy, please. Me have some money for me. Let me give it, please. I beg you. Just take it, you're my boss. Just take it, please.
That boy, let me tell you this. I don't want to come here so come rump in the box. You hear me tell you? Look for me good. Yo, I'm going to beat him.
Bossy, don't give money already. Bossy, don't give money already.
Yo, Sean. Yeah, but see, next time I see you coming here, you make sure you call me. Yeah? Because the boy, they said, yo.
I'm not doing this for me now, so.
I'm thief, you boy, I rob the box them.
Being regular style, that man.
Every bar you go is like a thing. You go and bar and rob them with the box.
So, man, I don't good style that.
But anyways, are good?
Yeah, man, look good class.
Alright, just come check me there.
Alright.
When you don't know.
Yeah.
There?
El Chapo.
Yo, right now, them people that get on my nerves now. Where you going then?
There, man. Everything good around here.
You don't know no female on work.
I don't know, but me try and ask around and see. Or if me nobody asks no job, me make you know about it.
Can watch you now? You see, on your day off, we have to have some money for a day off. You see me? Money have to make, you can't lack. can't lock the location.
I understand.
You see me? And
Yeah.
make sure so anybody you get, make sure so they don't play box.
Okay.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So, what me other location? Yeah?
All right.
Yeah, man, just do it.
Mm-hmm. Melissa, come here.
Auntie Candy.
A long time I don't see you. Pass your mother in the town the other day and I did ask her for you. So you get big man. You're about 19 an hour, 18.
19.
You know, so sometimes I have some important business to sort out. I wouldn't mind me get somebody if you can come work that day for me. Like the days them when I not go there work. You know what I mean? Response for the cash pot shop. Yeah, and the bar, I mean response to it. You understand? But me know you a long time. And would I like if you come check me? When I think you can come because me have to talk to you first and care go in front of the machine, go see how well you can do on it.
Well, I go think about it, but once or something when I can manage, I go do it.
All right then, make sure you answer your phone when I call you. Hello? What going on, Melissa? You alright? You make up your mind yet? Okay. So you go come up here? Yeah man, you can come. Me there. Yeah man. Just come on when me talk to you. When I come, we talk to you and tell you. Yeah. Yeah man, come. Alright, cool.
Good morning.
Morning. Oh, you finally arrived. I'm glad you come because I have something important to go sort out. May I come around come tell you what you have to do here?
Alright.
Alright. Alright. Melissa, at the box them I really want you to sort out for me when I'm not there. Because sometimes I go have some important things to do and can't come and work, so I go call you. You understand? Anyway, you see the box them? You can make money on it, but you go lose more than what you feel say you can make. You understand me? And me I beg you do. No go on the box. Because it go look like every time you put $1,000 on it, one next $1,000 and it pull if you put another thousand till you put yourself in a problem. You understand? So no go on the box noon tall. Because if you go on the box all the time and have the money to put in back and me I go get in a trouble. You understand what I say? You see stuff them in the shop? Me already do stock taking. So anything at all you sell, me have one book over there and one pen, make sure so you write down what you sell. The price them in the book. So you don't have to call me and ask me how much is this and how much is that. Just look in the book, anything you sell, make it change and write it down. You understand? Alright, so you can start tomorrow. But remember say a 6 draw day, you have to day here before 7 o'clock. You understand? So you get the early morning sale. You understand what I say? Yeah. So anyway, heal up your mother for me. Yeah man, may I go back home?
the bar. Now, with piece of money up there, no, man. Forward now. Forward. Alright.
Boy! Girl, where money there I win? Bombard! As so much money the girl I win?
No man, bet pon that one at 19 money man, silver money. Yeah, girl, eh. Me have 2 bills, you know. I put it in the box too. Yeah, girl. How the money now go in? Yeah. Watch out, so much money you get I win? I was just play. Alright, 36. A good thing I get to work in a girl.
That is it when you win a jackpot in a mama year. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hold on, pan this.
That's how much this?
16.
So look how much money you have there. So 16,000 you really give me, girl?
Now watch over here, so. Business money this. Business money want if you deal with a lot of business. So
Me have a friend at 16,000 you call me up here. Boy.
and you did I play the box or me did I play the box? Now what you call here now, the call here have to deal with business. Me have a lot of things to deal with. So be grateful for the 16 grand when me give you. You know enough people that appreciate that.
That's true, you know. We're not greedy. Greedy dog choke puppy. Thanks, you're my friend. If you never call me up, you might win something. I can go buy my rice and my flour and my sugar.
That is it.
Nah, look how much money, man.
Or put my food there.
I deal it, mama.
There, you know.
It's like you can't talk. Be your money to do like a be things are going to feel. I want
Just too long with a piece of food up at a bar when I work in.
5 bars up.
Then no must.
Yeah, yeah.
You
They say,
nice.
if you can't bust me past something, I don't have one traffic ticket to go pay in you. That's all you see.
You know, say I'm a dog long time and I'm there. I don't want food. They want food.
Yeah, man, the food to yes, man. Don't know, man.
I get something, you know, man.
Food they are talking, yo, right there in you. Yeah, yeah.
20 pack, you know.
What if me a
me have
dream
a charge.
or something? I can't believe it. Me a dream, box myself. Boy, I feel real, yeah, man. So
Yo.
big up yourself.
I gamble and get in.
Yeah, man, big man think come see piece of food still, but you hear me I say no? Wow, you see gambling and I want easy thing, you know, you to follow gambling. Gambling a dangerous thing, you see me I say? So you take a piece of winnings, feel good, make good use side. Don't make no either thing come to your head with the gambling, so go follow it. I don't really gambling, you know, but get pieces of food still.
So I'm gonna get a piece of food, appreciate it alone me and the gambling business alone.
So I rate you and I tell you that.
Nothing happened to me, man. And that's why I look the gambling, you know?
Alright, say, we could get the food and everything.
Yeah, man.
Go in the garden, come in, forward in.
The other man already.
Want a chicken, you see me? Yes. Curry gravy.
That's
Big up
not
yourself,
chicken.
Melissa! Melissa!
Yes.
Come here there. Come here, dog over there.
No. Oh, go on.
Evelyn, me there.
Evening.
You know, say you pay me care, come give her.
Well, Andy, I have good news to tell you. You know, say, yesterday, I won a jackpot. 250,000.
I lie.
True.
I'm glad for you.
So you see that the pay there, you can keep it. You can keep that for yourself, buy a little juice and anything you want.
Oh, thanks. Me happy for you say you win it, but remember say the boss want me no fi go pan it. And me dey tell you, make sure say you no go pan it. I'm glad to see you winning little money. But do no go back on it, else you go lose all that money where you win. If you think them box they easy, you see once they go and catch and catch, you go get addicted to it and then you go be a loser. And you
No,
will end
Auntie
up.
Candy. Me nah go back on the box.
Alright? Remember, you don't have no other job, you don't have no other money. Do not send up the box and put me in no problem. Do me the beg you. Come now, want me and the boss in no argument. Thanks to the little change.
Me thank you for the look of the work where you give me, you know.
No problem, man. You're welcome, man. Just not go back on the box, here?
Me nah go back on the box.
Alright. Little more.
Alright.
One second, what going on, sir? What is? Negative 150,000.
I don't know, sir.
What me? Can it? The box show me say 500,000. Zin, which was yesterday. And see there. Negative 150,000. Come on, reset me. So, what I mean?
I know me member said the new girl.
Candy, you can't do much, right? Look. Check it for yourself. Listen to me. Are you there, sir, working on?
He shot at 150,000, but I know me.
Then me not just tell you say he shot at 150,000. Oh yeah, tell me back say he shot at 100. I'm blind, me not just tell you. So with this new girl then?
Me no know, remember say you tell me so go for me day off me make she come, so.
Candy, go find her. You better 150,000 that day. You know how much things, bills me have to pay with 150,000? Obviously say if 150,000 missing. Obviously say the girl take me fit 150,000. Yeah? What you tell me say an idea, Candy? Obviously say 150,000 missing. Obviously the new girl take me 150,000. What you tell me say? Eh? I'm tell you say anyhow she play the box or you play the box, Candy is off on her foot that. What you tell me say, Candy? Eh?
Me go look at me see her.
You go look at me see her? So what you there, sir? Come out of my sight. Come on. Candy, you know said come out of my sight now, girl.
Melissa,
Auntie Candy.
Auntie Candy, your backside. We are walking a old young head and a country about Auntie Candy like you not see me. Melissa, what me tell us about the people them box? Why you go on the box? You send up the box sky high. Eh? No, you owe 150,000. What to the money where you win the other day? Where you do with it?
Why Auntie Candy? You know, say the box take about the 250 from me. I never expect it to run up so.
You say 250 like a $250. Melissa, 250,000. You win off of the box. And imagine me warn about him, me tell you all about my boss. Eh? Me tell you my boss, warn if you don't go up on here, me beg you don't go up on the box. So imagine, you're making take away back the whole I box them. How much box you go up on?
One of the box.
Well, me not care how much. You make the box them take away 250,000 where you win plus 150,000. Melissa, you look like you're ready to take yourself to workless. And you not even have the audacity to say, you know say, me go up on the box and you know say you did warn me and me still go up on it. You just take yourself, go up on it. You know, tell me say you go, you know, ask me if you can go. You know me boss? Eh? You know El Chapo? A dangerous man that me no play with the money. El Chapo a dangerous man. He no joke with the money. Me sorry for you have to go find it back. If people them want back their money, look how you run up the box. Look how me warn you.
Cause no Auntie Candy, you know say. Me da go tell you about.
I people them money me come from. Me just no want no talking for you right now. Right now you're confused me brain. Me no know what else to tell you say more than me come for people them money. When you go get it back for give me?
I have no money right now, you know. You can't give me 2 days. I can sort it out and carry come give you. You know, if you come look for me, you know, me come look for you and give you the money. But Auntie Kenny, I'm sorry.
Melissa, you know so I shouldn't give you no chance. I come like you don't know who El Chapo. My boss El Chapo. No get El Chapo name for no reason. Them the man there, you know what they do? You know him get his name? You think he get it for nothing at all? Them man they chop off people and chew give hag make hag nyam that. So, me go give you the last chance. Because you think me come make sake of you, my hand chop off and you feel too and a liar they tell Melissa. You not even know who you play with neither. So me we call you. You understand? Make sure say me have him man money for give him because El Chapo no joke. Them the man they no play with people. Me I work with him few much years I'm afraid of him. But just because I want a little money, can him pay me good. That's why I stay there. Don't ramp with me.
Yo, mama, yo. Yo, where you there? I can't move your pan. I'm
You
see
know,
like you
sir.
move fast in a youth. Where you going with? Where you go?
But then I want to look at the situation, you know.
Kind of situation, I can help you.
You remember the piece of food when I win other day up at a bar?
5 bar up so you talk? What go on?
Dog, you know, say, I go back go play back the box to try my luck. And the box take away back the money.
Judge.
What another type problem?
What problem now?
Boy, the woman come to me one day and tell me say the box. Me so 150,000. I don't know I'm gonna get it back.
Really? Yo, mama, I can't believe it. Yo, I warn you and tell you, say, yo, you have to load the box thing there. Cause yo, you see gambling thing, and I want good trade in a youth. Me I tell you, them thing there just make you addicted and not stop. Go back and lose money, yo. Yeah, man.
You better me dey listen to you now.
You know, yo.
But you don't know what the worst part of El Chapo money that you know.
Just a while ago. Big bad man El Chapo where I kill whole heap of people and I do be a bag of sitting.
You know the man they no play when they come on.
So, you
I know when capable of.
Now you got to him say you give me no money all time money you know youth. Cause you don't know you know so right now you are left. The best thing you do. If you want safer for me. So I just want you link me when your father or whatever just me there.
Yeah.
Things, see?
I hate him, I should go, you know. Me have some people over there, me go, you know, I go over there, go cool out and things.
I hate it, so yo, go zoom thing over. Yeah, go pan over there.
Yo, later.
Right.
No, me not done long. Later.
Thing, man. Me see you.
Melissa! 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 Hello, sir. Can you give me a minute, please? Hello?
Oh, that now.
May I beg you a minute, please? We just ask you one little question.
Yeah, man, you can't come my gate, my lady.
You have dog over there?
No.
All right, may I come?
Ah, hold on, I'm forward. We are going with nice, beautiful browning. What's up? We are doing it. Come see, I know say you're strange, I know, because you're not little boy. You see, like, somebody, oh, yeah, how are you? Good girl. How going?
May I look for one young girl over here, so named Melissa. You see her from morning?
Elisa, hold on. How she stay again? Because two girls, I know live over your side. How she not there?
She recently put in braid.
Hmm.
Yes. And
Oh,
she's
like a
short.
short girl.
Yeah, she's short.
I an hour. Cause you don't know a place one we can't go. You understand? Because you see it nice and everything, but you can't just give out information so still. So yeah, who are to her?
I'm a niece.
Your niece?
Yes.
That means say you're related to her mother. Her father.
No, her father.
Okay.
Why you question me and not ask me so much question? Me come to see me
Give me a
niece.
son of brownie. I just true because the place run. I kind of want to look.
But me tell you, say I'm a niece, so if you see her, just let me.
Yeah, man, over, yeah, you know, say over here, so she live for 2 years. No, man, she and her sister and her mother, but guess what going on now, bro? Big woman thing, they you know, say, she make a little, Jane trip, come and see her, she bought. And I say, Mama, where you move to party? I say, yo, I 80 she a go. 80?
You just say, she gonna serve.
No,
What you
Mama,
just say?
80. Cross the waters in a boat. She a tell me, say, she have link over there.
80.
80.
You mean she left out of Jamaica and gone?
Yeah. I tell her, yo, that's a joke thing, yo. Come see her in the morning.
Oh.
I say, oh, she move so fast. She know the pan I pray everything. I say, oh, she move so and dress up and look like the bag and everything. You read? I say, oh. Man, I hear she go, I'm not to pull nobody and tell her, I'm not ask her who you are.
I'm a niece, man. Don't worry about it. I just my
man,
niece.
she gonna get to
Something
me.
they can come here.
Big up yourself.
I something me did care come to give her, but
Okay.
me did leave it on the way out there, so I'm not sure if she did there. Anyway, you don't know if she soon come back.
That may I say that's if she come back, but I don't know if she soon come back. But just in case, you know, you could have take a message still and make sure you know, say, look, guys, I'll keep you on your night.
No. That's okay.
Alright. Yeah, man.
In case she come back, just tell her say her auntie did come. She will understand.
Yeah. So yeah, you're married.
As somebody else looks her.
I can't ever. Alright, big up yourself. Now tell her, yeah. God, no, yo, what a sexy girl, man. Yeah.
El Chapo,
Hello.
I did down my gate. You can't me gate, please want to talk to you.
Yeah, man, just come through the door there, sir.
El Chapo,
Candy.
you know what I'm saying? I grow in a girl yard and next door neighbor tell me say she not there, she pack up and gone. Early in the morning. And when me ask them where she gone, you know, cause the neighbor and them and she a friend. Then tell me say she gone at 80. And they don't know when she a come back. So she gone with the money. May I beg you please. Nobody chat me up and give hug them.
Candy. That are the news where you come for disturb me there with now. I mean she gone at 80.
I neighbor tell me say she gone at 80. Me don't know. Me can't find her. Me call her whole heap of time. The phone not ring.
Candy. You know say by rights, I shouldn't even go through this because me never employed a girl, you know.
Me knows.
You know say you say if me I did one of them man there who beat woman and them and them me just feed it to the hug them, you know. Because you take this thing for some joke thing. Eh?
No, me can't take a business.
Oh, you mean she fi come gone at 80 with my money? Eh?
Me not take it for joke, sir. El Chapo, me sorry for what happened. Me very, very sorry. And me ask you to forgive me. You could have just deduct it back out and me pay a week time.
Candy, the only reason why I not feed it to the hug them, you know, is because you want a loyal worker. And you never tease me yet. I know this is a mistake for you, but know yourself. She gone at 80, maybe deal with this. Cause come out of my sight. Come out of my sight. And go and go up in the bar. Safase! Problem, man, problem. A girl, she thief my money, man. I heard she come over there in your ear. I'm gonna send you the information. I'm gonna come and get her. So as soon as I reach her, you just let me know. Zin? I'm on the next banana boat, man. Alright. Public. What going, man? Yo. I just get up on me and go make a forward and go check feed me hog them. You see me? Just link me up a hog pen. Yeah, man.
Wait, man, wait. I'm here. Wait, no. Oi. Wait, man. You know what she get none.
Yo, my brother.
Move. Yo.
What go on there?
They feed them swine, you know.
You know what's the real and true when I come around them something there, you know?
Brother, you're a Rasta man, you know, man.
No, that me I say me like forward on them thing, brother.
So yeah, go on it. But you didn't know, say, if you take too long to feed them, if you take all 3 weeks to feed them, if you kill somebody right now and feed it to him, that clean up in less than 30 minutes.
Yeah, said to me. That's why I don't deal with them hog business, you know. But alright, tell me what I go on, General, because you don't know the timing thing, I really like for this certain place. Okay, so I just up in a block, I'm ready for anything, you know.
Oh. You what going on now? My bartender.
Going for murder?
No, man, listen to me. My bartender, Zin.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like she at work there, and she take a day off and put one of her friend in there. You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So the friend now stays a bomb and gamble on the box and win 250,000.
Mm-hmm.
But she's a greedy pig.
And
you know what happened to greedy pig?
Mm-hmm.
She end up lose all of the money what she win. The 250,000 what she win, she lose it back. Run up my box. Now put me in a problem.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? Run up my stuff and put me in a problem, you know. Come.
All right. Hear what you do for me. Tell me your name. I need to know your name.
Everything I go send to you.
Because I just done start one business a while ago, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So that in my brain right now.
Everything I go send to you.
You finish? All right, cool.
No person. No ball to me, man. Yo, where's some for the dash him off or what?
Yo, my work done, you know, some of the business going on, you know.
Oh.
Yo, El Chapo my name, you know. Know that, you know. The thing, yo, I work hard for them box there, you know.
El Chapo, I can't work it out, take you back your money.
What's that one? You got what?
Brother, top more and thumping me.
Alright, you see? I'll give you one chance when we go in. Here? One chance me I give. Me I give a couple days to get back my money. You see if you don't get back my money, your hand, foot, shoulder, everything me a pop off. You hear me say? Everything me a pop off for you. Hand, foot. I might have feed the two fish them too. Yo, get up.
Why? Why?
The things that me are smelly nice. Eh? You see how make me come out of my comfort zone? Listen. I sure me have some good friends over 18, you know. Some good friends like family. Loyal. You think you can run where I don't know where you're there? Anywhere you're there on the earth, me will find you. Can they not tell you how me be? Eh? She said she give you 2 days. Why you never take that the 2 days there and try work up a way how you go get back my money? Eh? You think say nice when time all my people them get up and tell me say they hungry even though they not tell me say they hungry? Eh? Yeah, what we are going? Yeah, I'll get them.
Excuse me, no.
See me deal with this. You do that again. 2 weeks me I give. Here? So what you gonna do? You're gonna start work for me now. Free. Here? Free you're gonna work. And nobody feel like I can't escape. I see next time I come for you. Me have 2 hungry pig when me I start around when. You see if you're with one man, I just go feed up to them. Here? I show you a woman that I don't believe in a hurting woman now. I just carry go feed up to them. Fix up yourself man and wipe out your face.
Yeah. Monk
One here. So here what you gonna do? You gotta go home now, clean up yourself, and come and work man.
Yeah, man, make place for you.
Here? I talk to you. You hear me say?
New work.
Wipe off your
Yeah, man, because the man not give me money yet.
Just do what I say to do. Him good man.
Yeah, give me money yet, sir. Yeah, alright. Yo. Even though we never make a price, you know. We go and hit it on a boat, they will ring me and drop on that boat, you know. How it go?
Don't worry about yourself, man. It's not even about the money, but it's a principle.
Principle.
You get 150,000 out of that, man. I just get it, make it do it.
Yeah, man, that's like a plan, man. I appreciate that, boss.
She, I choose she happen, man.
So give me a time, you know, like, you know, say, grocery. I need grocery and something, so, but no, give me a time. A business, you know, just like a normal. Or you can give me something that's going easy until that come true.
Just hold on upon this.
Alright.
Cool out.
Alright. Yeah, man.
Respect, you know.
Alright. Make sure I'm counting, you know, and I'm not like, you know, I'm going to feel sad. You know what I mean? Because I'm busy with the boss. I respect. I trust you.
Brother, don't
That's
disrespect.
it, man. I mean, sorry about that, boss.
Don't
Respect.
disrespect.
Yeah, boss.
Tiden.
Yo, mama, what going on? When me see you forward back?
Tell you now, you don't know so the boss come all the way over 80 for me.
Jaja, really? Can't believe it, you. So where you go?
You know, say I go down because him have me up here work. I want to board them around the so.
Eh? Jaja, God, I'm glad to see you come back safe, though, because when you say I got 80 youth, me have to beat 100 mile per hour, because El Chapo and them. Alright, yeah, where you say going?
You sure now you go tell the man say I 80 me gone?
Me? Woman, remember say you done give me a little piece of thing in my pocket, or me fi betray you. Man a gangster, man a deal with betrayal, man.
So all the man know say I 80 me come on boat. Him and his next friend find me at 80.
Oh, God.
And the fact I free me up here I work for.
Can't believe you. Yo, mother never betray you. So we are going, we are plan for doing.
I know me learn my lesson, you know, man. Me learn my lesson.
Can't believe it. Boy, I'm glad for know say you come back in a one piece. I'm saying a one piece. Yeah, look at one squeeze. I'm glad to say alright, yeah.
So what you do up aside?
Boy, different story that you want to say. Guess what going on? You know, say I'm some ticket. I drive a day and police stop me and you want one ticket and I come play it for Black River here. You see me?
Right now, I learn my lesson. I'm done with the gambling thing. I swear.
Alright, big up on yourself. As usual, from the see me on the camera, I don't know who it is already. Alright, so presently we're working on a brand new movie and we just decided so we are come to White House. You know, just to change up the scenery, give you guys something different to look at and to enjoy. So while filming, we woke up one little youth where him watch a movie them. You watch a movie them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah man, he watch a movie them, so him recognize me. So while talking to him, I get to understand say him 14 and him no go to school. And for me personally, I think school is very important for youth them development. You see me I say? Very, very important. And I feel like there's a lot of stories like this in Jamaica where you have young youth theme age when now go to school. So I don't know how my spirit work, but my spirit say fi help you, me help you. Just some work. So I see him, I ask him in age, he say no go to school. And I say, boy, I want to try to get some help for him. I know financially I am not rich. I do what I can do. But I know that you guys who are the subscribers who watch, especially persons who live in Jamaica, I know someone who can help. So we are reach out to get some help for him, to see if we can make him go to school. Or if somebody wants to take him under them wings and send some funds, help him to go to school, we're happy with that. What you say name again?
Shavan Watson,
Alright, so boss say name Shavan Watson. And how old are you?
14-year-old.
Alright, so I'm 14 as well you say. So you hear it from female, not for me. Alright, so I'm 14, Shavan Watson. I'm now going to school, so we are trying to get some help for him. I asked him if he can read, he said he can check, him can read. So I want to see if we can get some help for him because to me, them youth are future, you know. And if them get some intervention from now and some help, God knows what will happen to them. You see me I say? So when I reach out to my man, Richard Brown Films as always, I'm going to do my part what I can do until I get some help from Uno. To see if we can give him a strength. So big up on yourself. Go and watch a movie them. Him watch a movie them. Hopefully in family them watch it too. So big up on yourself and continue to support. Ready now? Alright, so morning as usual. I don't know. I do promise you that we have an interest in doing vlog after vlog. Whether it be BTS or whether it be what we are going with. Alright, so in the morning now before we even start work, we have an interest in food I cook. So Bush cash in the kitchen and go and chef up a little thing. So, well, I'm going to turn to the other camera so you can actually see what I'm. Alright, so actually boil up already and now. Saltfish well boiled up already. Yeah man, saltfish well ready up already. Yeah man, okay, I'll put it in it. Dumpling. Yeah man, dumpling and bag of food in it already. Yeah man, so before we start work, we like to make sure we get a healthy meal before we even touch the camera yet, you see me? But me I go and edit still, so soon it's some food and then start them. But we are waiting for public to come. You see me? Yeah, I'm gonna see what I want now. Yeah. So see new movie how we are going to do?
Yo. You know we never make a price, you know.
Oh, yeah, go get my money.
Eh? You think say nice when time all my picking them get up and tell me they're hungry even though they're not tell me they're hungry. Eh? Yeah, what we are got? What else you can do? We can press me spin out there.
Yeah, man. Just play, man. See the corner, the corner. At it again. Yes. Alright, teachers, we're in jackpot. And win 7. Așa am original de panel.
Come again. There was something you have to talk about, man.
Jamaican flag.
Now wait, you want to show PRC now when she come out and come call him? Probably tell them, Mike.
Like yeah.
Let me one of them and then I devise my Shaki machine. I know, me have sitting at this guy. I mean, what I mean? Where device?
A bit again. Went to 2, a bit power 4. I bet make money
T4.
T4 5.
Brother,
That's bet, man.
if you sit man, 159. Alright, come right now out and I'm going on the pocket. Alright, so catch me facial expression. Catch me facial expression. You need to go out and down. Watch it, puppy, watch it. Don't get J9 and that.
Get up, Malaysia.
Anybody that talk and frame face with the pan, come back right in the police. How many set? Step back in the same position so we can done. How many set? Come in. Public, you have to go on the train. People in the background. No, think you have to in the background. People there bar.
So that drop again, eh?
Yeah, man, morning, put on public. The bush catch the wide and you the closer.
You have little shadows on the face.
Yo, that these shadows are just make it still good one. Record.
Follow you when you jump on the ground.
Are you the white man? You have to catch everybody. Everybody.
Just hold the camera like you know where you are.
Yeah, man, hold it. Ready, public?
No, you're not here.
You're coming here, man. Grab the speed, run about.
I'm not prefer to walk now.
You're walking. Alright, no problem. Set up and set to see what. You ready?
Action, ready.
Yo, Bossy, what is for? What is for? What is for, Bossy? What is for? Bossy? Alright, what is for, Bossy? What's probably one shot for us.
My man has to come and see this family kill him.
Come on,
No, but
one shoot them from the Bossy, what is for? What is for, Bossy?
alright.
You can put it on altar. Where does it show altar? Yeah, man,
I do some intricate shots.
Ready?
you may take up the shower, but you said like you want to lick it.
Yeah, put it in the room. Mommy, you think that bed will look fun?
No, man. Stand down there. Record the ready? That's so much. Look, man.
Someone has woman seen a million pound going to the top.
You just record the 2 camera, just record.
Alright.
I can't start back from that.
Let's go get all of it.
Ready? Now record.
Ready now?
Yeah,
Ready. Ready.
Yo, Bossy, what is for Bossy? What Bossy?
What is for?
Bossy.
Where's the voice the way I use and play with the box?
Bossy.
Where's the voice the way I use and play with the box?
Hold on, Bossy, hold on.
That boy, that's the first day. Yo, hurry up.
Hold on, Bossy. See, me never mean for that happen still now.
Yo, so this I use. And this I use. Give me your finger. Give me your finger.
Hold on there. Public, catch you a wide chat right now. When you, I sit there, so we can catch you something. And then we can use the switch on the wide chat. Can come on. Let me focus, man. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah, man, step back, sir. And come. And it's okay, don't lick it. And action. Right, good. Alright, Alton, catch our wide chat time. Just walk around this place. Kick me first and then come down this way. My wide chat, yeah, see. I'm not feeling shot. You're not seeing me.
Go on and kill it. Go on and kill it.
You're not seeing me first, right? No. I'm gonna keep making kick first. Kick.
Ready.
Alright, good. That's good. Alton. Yeah. Yeah. Who's that? Yeah, man, used to. What? Then. Down will be down with the
Ready.
Action. Yo, right now, when people get on my nerves, you know. Where you going?
She look very nasty. Good step in the water while I go like it cold. Ooh. Ah.
Approach me that way. You understand me? I say, yeah, we make the same money, but if you know one situation, most can help you. You say, brother, I'm in a thing, saying because I don't trust people. You understand me? So I'm not trust all myself. So I say, all right, take your money. You know what I mean? So, I find a perspective there. You understand me? I say? Yeah. So I understand how to do it and put yourself in there now.
Alright, so what we are doing now? Start talk with him first, make he call to you.
I'm gonna make you phone call.
Alright, give me camera.
Invest on 30,000 US now, me I do.
Easy one. Did it out, did it, you know?
Ready?
Can I come and come up?
That one I never dark.
Yeah, my father. Where's your my seat? Tomorrow. All right, my father.
Jada, when I walk out with yourself, hey, what go on, you remember me? Understand? Just look alive, man. You're asleep. That's what I'm asking. One thing.
I don't know what you.
Alright? Eh? Tell me if you're alright, you know. Yeah, the camera,
Candy. Bobby, tell him for something. Come, walk up and say, look.
So friends see me I walk up here, like they say money a come, see a food a come. See $1 million come, eh? Hey Jada? Come on, come over here.
Come, that's you. Ready?
Hey, what go on? You remember me?
Yeah, oh, yeah, of course remember you. Thing alright?
You take my number for something here, though.
Like that.
Step back, Bobby.
Step back.
Same thing, same thing.
Yes, babe. I will shot me.
Whoever on the mic, whoever on the mic, whoever on the mic.
It's like, yeah.
Who? That's that who? That's that who? Oh. Ready?
Yeah.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know. Welcome to Paradise Nation. We're there right now. We're there up in Black River. I shoot a movie. I know you don't know. You go. So a whole Black River High School kids them over here. So you know you go. And then you have me don't know which school at there. Which school at there? Lackover High School. I don't know you go. The whole team. You know, they're fans.
Shut your mouth! What the way don't be done after you come about your boom like I idiot.
Listen.
Don't you ever show me the one
Alright, catch me night before you done, man. Yeah, man, you done know. There I know, man. You see it? See the work. Mad thing.
Which one me a come?
If you have watched the entire video and all the bonus footages and everything that we place on this channel, thank you very much. It's always a pleasure to be creating wonderful content for you guys. This month we are able to post 4 videos and we feel happy about that. We wish we could have posted more, but you don't know, it takes a lot of hard work to create this content. So I want to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting what we do. Thank you to everybody that has reached out and has sent something from a financial standpoint. Thank you very much. You know, me not like mention names, but me just say thank you to those persons who don't know themselves. Thank you to the persons who are not able to send financial donation, but you are able to send props or any form of item in unnecessary means that you have to send money. We appreciate that. There is so much good things in store, and I have to give God thanks for that. I have to give God thanks for the persons who have a kind heart and continue to push me forward and continue to call me and say, yo, Richie, me love what you do, and continue to motivate me. We appreciate that. I have a new camera coming this February. I'm thankful for that. But you know, in regards to cameras and stuff, and I always ask the cameras, and the reason why is because we want to go Netflix, and the cameras that we are getting now is it's from a cheaper end in terms of doing YouTube. So we ask for those cameras, but we want to get the big budget camera where we can actually jump into Netflix. We do have Black Magics, but at the end of the day, it's not Netflix approved. So we want the camera will cost $5,000. That's just the body alone, and the lens costs $2,000. So in all, you'll probably want $6,000 for each one of the cameras. That's the aim that we're aiming at, and want some big professional lights. So there are a lot of things that we want to get in place, because even though I'm asking for things, the things that I've gotten so far, it's basically for YouTube. And my vision is I want to go over to Netflix, this year. That's it. That's the aim. So in order to do that, I'm gonna need the help when we can get, both from equipment wise and financial wise, because it will take budget to really create those content for YouTube. Also, two things. You notice in the video, me talk to this young man who need help. I want you to reach out to me and help if you can. And also, one of the actresses, Ashley Brown, she said to me, "Say, boy, Richie, I want to build one like a house for myself. You want and on a concrete board, in Westmoreland Sturdy. So she wants to believe one home for herself. So me I ask for help for her. So if you guys are willing to contribute towards that too, they can reach out to me. They can put you directly onto her, and you can talk to her and tell her who you want to help. Because I'm not just about making movies alone and making people laugh and making people feel good. I'm about helping those who I can help. You know what I say? As I tell people already in a previous video, I am not one of those persons who directly want to be dealing with the helping part, because I see what happen on social media countless at times with other persons like Auntie Dana and other persons who help people. It just become so chaotic and mixed up. So I don't really want to get into that. I am about making movies, but on the same hand, I want to help people. You know what I say? So big up on yourself, continue to support. Thank you guys very much. You know what I say? It's just pure love over here. So continue if you push forward, continue if you try to incorporate new actresses and so forth in our way I do. So if you're interested in acting and you want to link me up on Instagram, Richard Brown Films. And if you don't follow me yet on Instagram, follow me. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man.